We need to start this section of the tutorial having saved our project file, including our features that we've created, our points, lines and polygons. But what we're going to do is close down our existing project and start a new one, and we're going to import those features into that project and see what happens. Once you've opened a new project, we go to navigate to the file that we want to import, QGIS. And if we open that folder, it's giving us some options, but you'll notice that you can't see all the different files there, only the main shape file. And we can pull those into our project. Harbour, because we saved it as a QGIS file, is slightly different. It's a database file. You have to use the drop-down menu to reveal the file that you can actually drag in. And what you'll notice is we've got completely different colors. QGIS is randomly assigning the colors again. But what if we wanted to preserve the colors? We did a lot of work styling it last time. We want to send people these shape files with the right colors. To do that, we'll close this one without saving, and we'll open our previous project. So we can go to buildings, double click on it, and again go to symbology, and at the bottom here there's a style button. If you open the drop down menu, you have an option for save style, and you could save it as two different file types. We'll go for the QGIS layer style file and save that in there. Oops, we need to give it a name. We could call it the same as all the other files, and QGIS will know to look for that file when you import a shape and apply the style to that shape. If we saved our layer as a package, however, as we did with the harbour, we will get a different option when we go to save style. We have the two that we had before, and we also have save in database, which is the geo package. So that will save it within the file, and you won't have to worry about making sure that you also have the style file in the same folder. You can give it the same name. This is just a style name, but it'll save it within our original file. I'll try to spell harbour correctly this time. There we go. And you can OK that. Now, if we close down the project, we don't need to save it. And we start a new one. When we pull in the harbour, it will have the same opacity, same color that we had before. The buildings, we also saved files, so they should come in as before. They also have the labels there, but because we haven't got a base map, they're not showing up. They're white on white there. I can drag in a base map to prove that I'm not fibbing. Down here. Put that on the bottom in the layers. There we go. But we didn't save our path style. So if I drag in the path, there it is. It will be assigned a random width, random color as well. Saving the styles becomes extremely useful when you want to apply the same styles across a series of maps to achieve a constant look. And particularly when we come to do phase 1 surveys in QGIS, we can apply a series of layer styles that are used as standard for phase 1 surveys, so that all the habitats have their own specific colours, and it can save a lot of time.